Hello everyone, my name is Marina and you are on the Russian Language Club channel. This video is from General Course Russian Grammar. This video will be about Russian adjectives. First, the form of the adjective depends on the gender, number and case of the noun. Adjectives in Russian language answer these questions. Какой and чей for masculine, onwards. Какая and чья for feminine, onwards. Какое and чье for neuter, onwards. And какие or чьи for plural, они words. How to differ the gender and how to make plural nouns you can find in this video. Let's start and look on the forms of the adjectives. First, masculine adjectives. Most adjectives in the masculine gender have the ending «ый». But if the stress is on the ending will be «ой». Like in the words «новый дом», «красивый город», but «большой город». And if before the ending there are consonants, the special 7 consonants k, g, h, j, sh, ch, sh, you can't use the ending «ый», only ending «ий». Like русский язык. Here we will have the ending «ий» only because of the consonant k. There is also the ending «и» for the adjectives with a soft stem or the so-called exceptions, like the words «последний день» or «древний Египет». Adjectives of the feminine gender end on «ая». Новая машина, красивая девушка, большая страна, русская революция. There is also a special ending «яя» for adjectives with a soft stem, like последняя проблема or средняя Азия. The adjectives of the neuter gender distinguish the ending «ое» and the ending «ее» after the consonants «ж», «ш», «ч», «щ». But if the stress is on the ending still will be «ое». Let's look on the examples. Новое метро, красивое платье, but большое озеро. In the word большое, the stress is on the ending. That's why the ending will be «ое». But after «ш» in the word хорошее настроение, we will have the ending «ее» because of the consonant «ш». And the last, русское слово. And one more, the ending «ее» will be in the adjectives with the soft stem, so-called exceptions. Последнее дело, новогоднее украшение. And the plural forms. Most adjectives in the plural will have the ending «ые». Here you can guess that Russians don't pronounce «ы» after special 7 consonants, so the ending «ие» will be after the consonants k, g, h, j, sh, ch, sh. That is the phonetic rule. These consonants never pronounced with the sound «ы». So, новые люди, красивые места, большие деньги, русские фильмы. Also the ending «ие» will be for adjectives with a soft base variant, like in the words последние деньги or осенние дожди. That's it. Feel free to write your comments, suggestions, questions, examples, emotions, feelings here under this video. I'm happy to receive your feedback. Also, under this video will be the article about this topic. In the article, as usual, you can find free tasks for practice. Subscribe to the Russian Language Club channel if you haven't, plus subscribe on Russian Club on Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. Пока-пока! До скорой встречи!